Hi, hello and welcome to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel. Today is going to be a super yum, super quick Chinese restaurant starter recipe, which is Paneer Chilli. Whenever we crave for some Chinese starter, we quickly make this at home and have it. So let's get started. So now for the ingredients, I have taken one medium-sized onion, cubed, one medium-sized capsicum, again cut into cubes, 2 green chilies, slit, 250 grams of paneer, washed and cut into cubes, some spring onions for garnishing. I have taken around 3 spoons of corn flour and 3 spoons of maida. For this recipe, we need to take them in equal quantities. And salt as required, some red chili powder, some pepper powder, and we need again some basic sauces like the red chili sauce, dark soya sauce, chili vinegar, and I will be using this ready mix Paneer Chilli Masala and some ginger garlic paste. So now in this bowl I am going to add the corn flour, all-purpose flour, required amount of salt, about half a teaspoon, some red chili powder, some pepper powder, about a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, going to mix them all together well. To this I am going to add the cubed paneer. You can see that the paneer leaves out water. So I have not added water in the batter at the beginning itself. Now I am going to use my hand to gently coat all the paneer in this flour. You can now see that the paneer is well coated. You can do them like this to coat the paneer well. To this I am going to just sprinkle very little water. Again going to mix it well. Ensure that you don't break the paneer while mixing it. To this I am going to add little bit of dark soya sauce in this mixture and gently mixing it again. This gives a good color as well as flavor. So now you can see that this is the way you need to coat. We don't want it to coat like a typical bhaji kind of a batter. We need to coat it like this here and there. So now in a kadai I am going to deep fry all these paneer. I am going to add one by one. You can see that each paneer is roughly coated. However, the paneer would have absorbed all the flavors of the red chili powder, pepper powder, soya sauce and all the ingredients. We don't want a separate batter-like layer in the paneer chilli. That is the reason we are coating it like this. So you can see that how the paneer has got fried. Once they become brown, I will be removing them one by one as they get brown. I am putting them in the colander to strain the excess oil. Now you can see the first batch is done. Now I am going to add the second batch of paneer into the oil. This is 250 grams of paneer and will serve 4 people as a starter. So you can see the first batch of paneer. The batter doesn't look like a paneer pakoda or a bhaji. The batter is coated, but still it is here and there. It is only a thin layer of batter and not a thick bhaji kind of a batter layer. This is as it is super yum to eat, like a paneer pakoda. If you feel that the paneer is sticking to each other, you may gently use a spatula and break them. Ensure that you don't break the paneer into pieces. I am removing the paneer after they are well fried, one by one. So the entire batch of paneer is done. So in an iron pan, I am adding about a tablespoon of oil. So once the oil is nice and hot, I am going to add the green chilies, onions, and the capsicum and saute them well. To this I am going to add salt only for the vegetables. We have already added salt while frying the paneer. Pinch of pepper powder, about half a teaspoon of red chili sauce, a teaspoon of soya sauce, giving it a good mix. Little bit of chili vinegar, about 2 teaspoons. And lastly, I am using this ready mix Paneer Chilli Masala as it is into this and giving it a mix. So once all of this are well mixed, I am going to add all the fried paneer into this and giving it a good mix. To this I am adding half a teaspoon of sugar just to balance the sourness of vinegar and giving it a good mix. Just one small tip here. In case you are not confident adding them directly in the pan, you may mix it with some water and then add it. I purposely added it dry as I want the starter to be absolutely dry and not a semi-gravy. So you may mix water accordingly according to the instructions given here and then add it. Now I am transferring this to a serving bowl. So on top of this I am adding some spring onions for garnishing. Recipe, do try it at home. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll see you all in an interesting video. Until then, thanks for watching and bye bye.